What's up, guys? I want to test the gaming performance of Oukitel cases. You know, I do say that I'm going to be doing that in my previous video. I kind of believe the processor is not as powerful as the Helio P23. So I want to see how the processor can handle gaming. You know, this is a new processor, Helio P23. I've never had any phone that's got Helio P23, so I cannot tell what I'm going to be expecting. But I think it should be all right for gaming, but I'm not sure if it's powerful enough. So I'm going to be stressing the phone. I'm going to run series of graphic in test game. So let's jump into the gaming, guys. Guys, I'm going to be testing this game, Shadow 5 free. So this. The game is smooth. I mean, you can see the graphic is to detail, sharp, clear, and it's smooth. Did I win? Yeah. So that's the end of the game. I'm gonna be jumping into the next game, guys. So guys, let's try this game too. This one does not support controller, so I have to use my hand. For me, I can't complain with the quality of graphics I'm getting with this phone. I can't really complain. It's not, it might not be the best in this category. It might not be the best graphic I've seen in mobile phone device, but I think it's one of the best in this category, guys. So this is just a game test, it's not a gameplay, guys. So even if I play too badly, don't mind me. I'm not teaching you how to play. I'm only testing the phone, how the phone runs games. So for me, I think there's nothing wrong with the phone when it comes to gaming. You've seen it all, guys. So I might be stopping this game a couple of minutes because this game is just like endless until you get killed. And I don't want to waste too much time, guys. Oh, that's it. So I'm going to be testing the next game, guys. I'm going to jump into the next game. This is Asphalt Xtreme, guys. And for what I'm seeing, there's no lag, so far so good. And don't forget, I'm still recording the screen, so it's like double stress for the phone. Oh my word, jump in the water. Oh wow, crashed. Can't believe it, man. Whoa, I still became first. So guys, I'll be testing another game because this is a real game test. I'm gonna be testing another game, guys. And you can see this game is super smooth too. Can you see no lags, nothing? So that's it, guys. As you can tell, this phone can run game without any problem. So that's the end of the video practically. Thank you guys for watching my video. I will see you when I make a new video. Bye. God bless.